Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nursing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 1, that is Introduction to Nursing Research. In that, the topic of concern is characteristics of good research. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. Research. What is research? Research is an attempt to gain solution to problems. More precisely, it is the collection of data in a rigorously controlled situation for the purpose of prediction or explanation. So it is an attempt to gain solution to problems. So you are going to find out solution to problems, and it is nothing but the collection of data in a controlled situation. The researcher will be creating an environment, controlled environment, in order to obtain the data for the purpose of prediction of results or explanation of the phenomena. Moving on to the characteristics of good research. First, I will be listing out the characteristics, then I will be explaining. So the characteristics of good research is generation of knowledge, problem solving, demands accurate observation and description, originality, empirical, logical, replicable, theory development and testing, appropriate methodology, conducted on representative sample, good tools, recorded and reported, findings are made available to other scholars. Let's see one by one. So the research should be done orderly and it is a systematic process. So it is orderly and it is a systematic process or step-by-step process. Next, based on current professional issues. The topic what you are going to select for the research should be based on current professional issues. Then it should begin with a clearly defined purpose or objective. So the research should have a clarity in purpose. Then it emphasizes to develop, refine and expand professional knowledge. So it develops, refines and expands professional body of knowledge or theory of knowledge. It is directed towards development or testing theory. So already existing theories also you can test it, or you can develop a new theory based on the research, or already whatever the theory has been available in the literature also you can take a part or parts of the theory and you can test it, or if not you can develop your own new theories. Next, finding solution for problems. So research is nothing but finding solution to problems. Next, it is dedicated to develop empirical evidence. So whatever the theory we are formulating, when it is put into practice, it should have some evidence. So that is called as evidence-based practice. So scientific knowledge is there for whatever you are practicing. There is a scientific knowledge behind the practice, that is called as evidence-based practice. Next, it tries to collect first-hand information and data. When you are going to do a research, so you are going to collect the first-hand fresh information. Okay, if you are going to do a research, if you are going to collect the data, that is called as first-hand information. Second-hand information means already someone has collected the data. From that you are collecting the data means it is second-hand information. So it generates findings to refine and improve professional practices. So whatever the findings you are going to get from the research, it is going to add on body of knowledge and it is going to support your evidence-based practice, professional practices. Then use of appropriate methodology. You have to use appropriate methodology, okay, for the research. What design you can use, what samples you can collect, then what sampling approach you have to use, like that, what data collection you have to do. So appropriate research methodology has to be followed. Then it should be conducted on representative sample, that is if the population, from the population you have to take the sample. So what study you are going to do, suppose if you are going to do on antenatal mothers, the sample also should be an antenatal mother. So you should represent the population. So whatever the research you are going to conduct, it should be on representative sample. Next, you have to use conducted through appropriate use of methods and tools of data collection. What tools you are going to use, whether it is questionnaire or interview or checklist or rating scale, that you have to follow. Then the research findings are the data collection, everything should be carefully recorded and it should be reported. Then adequately and appropriately analyzed research. So the statistical measures what you are going to follow, whether it is descriptive statistics or inferential statistics, so appropriate statistics you have to use and you have to analyze the findings. Then it should be carried out patiently. You should have some patience to conduct research. So step by step you have to follow all the procedures and you have to conduct it. Okay, then researchers expertise, your experience, your expertise, your motivation, your interest and your courage and willingness, everything is going to affect your research. Okay, so the research findings should be adequately communicated and disseminated. So communication and utilization of nursing research unit, already I have posted in Science Easy Tech channel. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. I have given the link in description box. So whatever the findings you have done, unless and until if it is not communicated, people may not know that you have done such a research. So you have to communicate the research findings appropriately, either in written form or oral presentation or in journals like that. Then only it can be utilized by other researchers. So these are all the characteristics of good research. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you friends.